Good evening, dear friends, partners, and clients. As we prepare to welcome 2025, I want to take a moment to reflect on the incredible journey we have had together this past year. Sunrise Health Trip started with a dream to bring world-class healthcare closer to those who need it, combine it with the healing power of travel. Today, thanks to your trust and collaboration, the dream is becoming a reality. In 2024, we help people rediscover health and happiness. We build partnership with leading medical institutions and then grow into community united by compassion, innovation, and care. So allow me to again briefly recap about our achievement in 2024 and about our transformation and about my personal transformation as the owner and founder of Sunrise Health Trip. So why transformation and why transforming medical tourism? When I was first introduced to the conception of the medical tourism, I didn't even know that there is something on the market like a medical tourism. And I don't think many people still in Western Ukraine and in general Ukraine understand the conception of medical tourism facilitation. I'm very proud to be the first one who introduced terms, and I actually don't know anyone else who is in this niche, and I'm very proud of that. Specifically medical tourism facilitation area. So, as a medical tourism facilitation agency, I want you to welcome to Sunrise Health Trip presentation and company overview. Our mission is to provide international patients with access to world-class medical care, combining medical expertise with the beauty of travel. What does it mean? It means that there is a patient, who needs a medical care, and for some reason they cannot achieve the goal of getting that treatment in the home country, whether it's a lack of the new technologies or they want VIP services or there's certain treatments are just not available or there is no certain doctors and so on and so forth. There can be many reasons why the person would be traveling abroad. And as a company, we value cultural sensitivity and compassion. We respect diverse cultures and offer compassion, understanding, and care to every patient from all over the world. And this is why we want to become the leading medical tourism provider in Ukraine and in Eastern Europe. So, what is facilitation? As I already mentioned, there is a patient, a person who would like to be connected with certain facilities and services. And there is a medical tourism facilitator who facilitate basically, connect, support. We specialized on supporting medical treatment 24/7. We have specialized support, meaning that whether you are now in the US time zone, Eastern time zone, or Western time zone, Australia, doesn't matter. You would be always in contact with us and you will get your support. You would always get comprehensive medical treatment plan, whether it's oncology, surgery, rehabilitation, aesthetic, and wellness. We have different kind of packages cosmetic, surgery, dental care, spot meat treatment, and health checkups, because thanks to universe nowadays, people care more about their health, and the culture of regular checkups is present. And as to Ukraine, I wish that my country, my home country, will be the medical hub in the future. But we all know that now, when we have an active war, there is no many international patients willing and eager to come to the country where is the war to get the medical treatment. We do have some immigrants, Ukrainian immigrants, who still come back home to get some treatment like dental care, because we have amazing dental care services. I think the best in the world, and many more. But unfortunately, as long as there will be a war, we wouldn't be able to welcome many international patients. Travel arrangements. As any other travel agency, we of course help arranging your healthcare trip, meaning that we organizing all the logistics, whether it is the need of helping obtaining visa, issuing invitation for the medical facilities, helping applying for visa, buying tickets. For those who would not like yet, for some reason, travel and get the treatment abroad, there is a telemedicine. There is an option of obtaining the second medical opinion online. And of course, for this second medical opinion or the travel itself, we would help you translate all your medical documentation from Ukrainian, Turkish, Polish, or English to the language would be needed. We of course will provide you with the conclusion of the doctors, the medical facilities in your native language. You will have your, as I said already, comprehensive medical treatment plans beforehand. As to the telemedicine, we of course will arrange the online meeting with the doctor, provided offline translator, and those services are covered as a regular accommodation, providing and helping in choosing the proper accommodation in the country of travel. And let me briefly remind you who I am. My name is Natalia. I'm a owner and founder of SunriseHealth Trip. I've been in the healthcare area over 15 years. And of course, except healthcare, I have international business development experience. I am, as I already mentioned, pioneering this company, this medical tourism in Lviv. And I hope to continue facilitating and connecting countries and people. I am former staff of international famous Turkish brand Acıbadem, and I'm very proud in the past being a health officer of Swiss Red Cross. So I'm quite related to the medical and public health area. I was promoting comprehensive mental and physical health care solution in Central and Eastern Ukraine. So as I said, I'm very, very proud being in different medical area, from the so huge Turkish brand as Acıbadem and humanitarian Swiss Red Cross. So market overview, as you can see on this chart, the number of medical tourists is increasing year by year, and it's of course logical because we were all locked in 2020 due to COVID. As you see, the 2024 was actually the year with the highest number of medical tourists. in the world in general. So this industry is actually significantly growing globally. More and more people want to travel abroad for healthcare treatment. And of course, if it's a serious treatment and you cannot solve it in your home country, you don't have an option, you have to travel. But if, for example, you would like to have some cosmetic surgery and you can get it anywhere, this is already a question of services and people with so-called VIP patients. Of course, they will care about the services more than about the location. And as I already said, we have many patients from all over the world. This is to my recent patients. Olga is Ukrainian as myself, and we had a deep connection because as Ukrainians, we could speak in Ukrainian. It's a very beautiful young lady who were unfortunately diagnosed with the breast cancer, and she was treated in Greece. Now she's cancer-free and she's back home. Yes, she's back home to Ukraine because we are supporting our country and sick or healthy. We are coming back home. And of course, we have less serious cases like John. There are more and more men who want to look beautiful, handsome actually, and he undergone successful health transplant arranged in Turkey because I would say like 85% of the men who would like to work with us and get hair transplant, choosing Turkey. Turkey is already well established top choice for hair transplantation for men. And of course, Turkey is a country which can offer you rich cultural background, touristic destination. So you are not just coming for the treatment, you can have an actual touristic experience with sightseeing and if you have a serious diseases, like for example, a cancer, the climate actually supports the better and faster rehabilitation. We have a strategic alliance and partnership, as I already mentioned, Turkey, but it's not only Turkey. We have Georgia, Greece, Israel, Poland, and many more countries who are our partners. But we have one shared goal with Georgia. Ukraine and Georgia, this is two countries who are officially open for ethical practicing of surrogacy motherhood. So we are working together to help people build families through surrogacy. And I say it because I know that there are so many social challenges for people who would like to have a family with these advanced technologies. So personally, obviously, as the owner of Sunrise, I'm a supporter of these modern technologies. And I am more than happy to tell you more about surrogacy and our alliance with Georgia. And you can contact us for more information by following us on Facebook. This is our email, our Ukrainian and Polish number. So I am so grateful for having this opportunity, the 31st of December, to again briefly remind you about Sunrise Health Trip and why I'm here. I'm here because of you guys, because every patient, every doctor, every business partner, every friend who supported me in 2023 helped me develop, helped me grow as a person, as a business owner in the 2024. So I am sending you so much love, so much appreciation, and I wish you that in 2025 you all will be not just happy, but of course healthy. But if there will be need for you to have a wellness trip, meditation, spiritual guidance, you can also contact us, because Sandra's health trip is not only about the physical or beauty, it is about spirituality and about mental health as well. So I wish you all to have a wonderful New Year Eve and most wonderful the beginning of the next year. With much respect, Natalia Fedevich.